remember the times we spent together, all the strife. We had a million questions all about our lives. And when we got to New York, everything felt right. Wish you were here with me tonight. Tonight. I remember days we spent together, not alone. And you still feel like me. Sadly, always goes by. I never thought not having you here now would hurt so much. Tonight I'm falling, I can't get up. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up. And every night I miss you, I can just look up and know the stars are holding you, holding you, holding you tonight. Palitan na kayo. Ay, stop. Where you were eight and you loved me. Oye, kami na yan, kami kumain. Mag-video kami yan. Alis, sige. Joke po yan.
Music video yan.
Music video.
Music video. Sige.
Hello. Maraming nandito po kami ngayon sa MTV Music Award.
Music award, but award daw.
Hindi po, nagre-recording lang po kami para sa album namin. Sienna Gian. Please
Wow.
support our album.
Available
in Muslim.
Ticketnet.com.
Yes.
Pirated CD.
We have a concert to buy tomorrow.
Yeah.
Just have welcome party with us. Thank you. Pick me up.
And
Sana mga record ya. Sana po please avail our album this coming month. We're just recording our new album. Volume 2. Sana'y panganganak ka na. Tuturugin kita. Babangon ako, tuturugin kita. Yun po yung pinamagatan ng aming album. Ang composer po ay si Sienna. Ako lang po yung
sulat ng mga kanta at saka tono.
Siya po yung kaputol ng isang awit. Please avail our album.
Opo.